that when I first got here to this community, this was the center of the community then and has been for 250 years. So the big part of what we're doing here now is trying to reestablish that as a community center, gathering place, and also an educational center. It's an amazing building. When you look at it from the outside, you think it's a building, but it's really a machine. I mean, you get to walk inside of the machine. It's a power transfer station. We transfer the power of the river to the belts, and we can do all kinds of things. We can generate electricity, grind grain, a multitude of things, so that's really cool. Okay, so the mill here has been grinding grain for several hundred years, and still grinds grain, and we use it in my restaurant and other restaurants in town. You can also buy it online soon. We got an online marketplace coming up. There's several stores around the area that sell them, including Food City. We're also developing, like I said, an educational center for learning about the mill, about alternative forms of energy.